Guys, there's been some very interesting video footage that's come out since this whole New Jersey's incident. This is one right here, and then there's a couple other video clips I want to show to you guys. So in today's video, we're going to look at a couple of these clips out here and try to take a closer look to see what's actually going on. All right, guys, so there's been a lot going on the last couple of days with everything that's been transpiring in New Jersey. There's been a couple of congressional meetings. They've had military out there. I've seen a couple of them. I haven't watched them all the way through, but I will be watching as this kind of unfolds and giving you guys an update on this. Now, you know that I've done a video a couple of days ago about some of this stuff that's getting out there. This one's actually taken overseas. It wasn't taken in New Jersey, but this was taken, I believe it was in China. So they're seeing this phenomena everywhere. So it's not just happening here in the States like a lot of people think it is. It's happening in different parts of the world too. And it's probably going to happen in a lot of other places if it is not already happening right now. But some of the videos I showed you guys before and the footage and stuff was based here in the States. Of course, this was more or less during the summertime or something. I saw you guys' comments on that. So, and then there's other footage that people have put out there, but it all boils down to people seeing these particular lights mostly, other than some of the drones or some of the things that look like planes and stuff like that. And maybe this is some of the stuff they were seeing back there. This is going to picture one of the car size or mini car size drones that were out there. But what I want to show you guys is something that's very interesting. This footage here I'll show to you is very short. It's a little bit longer. Reminds me of what I saw a long time ago. I told you guys I saw a blue light. And when I saw this video, it kind of freaked me out. So let me quit my yapping and let this go ahead and play real quick.
It's crazy. My God, look at it. That's not a plane. That is wild. Look at it.
So clearly the original footage is a little bit longer than this, but it was just amazing for me to see this for the first time. I haven't seen this type of phenomena in over, almost 20 years. And when I saw this, it really freaked me out because it was the same type of light that I saw over 20 years ago, except for this is a lot lower. This next one, of course, is not coming in from New Jersey, but this footage was pretty interesting. I had to show this to you guys to get some of your opinions. There's a little bit of audio to it, so I'm gonna go ahead and let it play real quick so you guys can hear some of the audio in the background. Okay, once again, some pretty amazing footage. This kind of reminds me of Fireflies at Night, but of course, this is not Fireflies at Night. So if you guys have seen phenomena like this, please let me know in the comments. I know you guys have seen certain things and you're trying to get information, photos, and videos out to me. So there's my contact information below in the description. As always, you can always email me and let me know. But this was pretty amazing to see just these lights or orbs floating around and kind of disappearing in the sky. Now, this next one does come from New Jersey. It does have some audio to it, and I slowed it down some. So I'm going to, of course, caught this from a camera that was outside. You do hear like a dog bark a little bit, but there's no mistaking that these are not bugs. They're too high up to be bugs. I know sometimes they leave streaks and stuff, but from my opinion, they're not bugs. Let me go ahead and let this play. So I went ahead and let it play twice. You can see some bugs kind of flying on the left and bottom part of the screen. So this is another phenomena that's happening out there. And you guys see the date there. So that was no less than a couple of days ago that this footage was captured and is actually being put out there. So once again, if you guys have seen stuff like this, let me know. Because a lot of times you see this stuff and you don't record it. And then you see it on this channel like, oh my gosh, same thing I saw. Now, these next couple of clips that I'm going to show to you are going to come from New York. And the clips are very short, but this craft either morphed or it turned. So you guys see it there. It's a very short clip, so that's kind of why I play these twice. And then I'm going to slow it down. So looking at this, it does look to be, you would think it's cigar shape, but we could be looking at the side of the craft. And as it actually flies through the air, you guys can see that it either changes shape or maybe it turned direction. Maybe it was flying straight and it turned to the right or left, and that's why this looks a little bit smaller than there, or it could have actually morphed or something or transformed into a smaller shape, because we know that sometimes these crafts can change their shape on it. But I thought this was a pretty interesting video capture and wanted to show this to you guys. If you guys are familiar with the area, put down in the comments if you know this area, so I can't tell too much by the buildings. Then this last clip, someone was driving around. This is in New York as well, and they saw these lights in the sky, and they went ahead and they filmed this, and this is what we have here. So this does look, as far as what I can tell from here, these do seem to be at least 5 lights. I don't think it's forming a triangle shape or one single craft, but it is interesting that people are seeing this, and this stuff is coming out a lot more. So something close to disclosure could happen pretty soon. I don't know. I think with the whole incident in New Jersey and then other things transpiring in different parts of the country and even around the world, something's going to happen. I even heard about a drone crash at some point in time. But anyway, guys, this is all I have for today. I wanted to show these clips to you. Maybe you haven't seen them before. I definitely want to show them to you. So don't forget to like, subscribe, put your comments down below. I got some pretty interesting footage like this coming up over the next couple of days. Appreciate you guys watching, and see you in the next video.